Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. The only source of knowledge is experience. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Imagination is more important than knowledge. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. It's not that I am so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. In order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear for failure. Education is not the learning of the facts, but the training of the mind to think. I have tried 99 times and have failed, but on the 100th time came success. You never fail until you stop trying. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. The only real valuable thing is intuition.